Hey there! Check out the LINKITOM Submersible LED Trailer Tail Light Kit, designed for trailers under 80 inches wide. This kit includes ultra-slim stop-turn signal tail lights, side fender marker lights, a third brake light bar, a 25-foot wire harness, license plate bracket, and reflective stickers. It offers 8 essential functions like stop lights, turn signals, tail lights, side markers, license plate illumination, and rear reflectors, all meeting DOT standards. With an IP68 waterproof rating, these lights are fully sealed and submersible, protecting against water damage even underwater. The 25-foot 18-gauge copper wiring harness ensures superior durability and reliable performance in all weather conditions. Installation is straightforward with a wiring diagram included, making it perfect for boats, trailers, campers, RVs, and more. Enjoy enhanced safety and visibility with this rugged, long-lasting trailer light solution. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.